Guys, before we start, lighting might look a little bit different. My yellow light bulb on my light that I have right there broke, so I'm using a white one. We need another yellow one. The yellow ones are the best ones. But yeah, anyways guys, enough, let's just get into the topic. Do you guys believe in a thing called Cartoon Cat? Me, personally, I don't know. I don't know. It could be real. It could be not. I don't know. We're going to be looking at some Cartoon Cat pictures and videos of people who found Cartoon Cat in real life. If you guys don't know who Cartoon Cat is, it's very creepy. So just stay tuned. I'll just give you a picture to show how creepy he is. Holy! Wow, you're cute. You have such nice teeth. What do you use? Teeth whitening strips. What the heck? That's absolutely terrifying. We're going to be looking at more pictures, and then we're going to be looking at some videos. So let's do that. Oh my god. Yeah, this thing is so creepy! Ah! This thing is so creepy. What the heck what in the I hate it. Why are you just chilling? This looks like an abandoned mall. Why is Cartoon Cat hanging out in an abandoned mall? This is not okay. What the heck? Also tomorrow we are doing another Trevor Henderson in real life video. Trevor Henderson's the creator of all these things, like Siren Head, Cartoon Cat, all that. So yeah, this is still kind of terrifying. This is still terrifying. I kind of hate it. Oh my god. But yeah, this is absolutely terrifying. On to the next one. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, he's so creepy. Cartoon Cat, can you not be creepy? What does that even mean? But can you not be creepy, please? This is absolutely terrifying. What? Why? 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 That's all I have to say is why. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Oh. So much black under my eyes. So tired. It's like 5 a.m. Oh my god, it actually says it's 3 a.m. Oops. I'm just kidding. It's 3 p.m. I'm just stupid and don't go to bed until like 10 p.m. But yeah, this is absolutely terrifying. I absolutely hate it. And let's go on to the next one. Oh, he's in some. Oh my god. I'm gonna go here. He's in someone's bathroom. What? It's like you're like, oh my god, I have to pee so bad. Where's the bathroom? Oh, there it is. Oh my god! And then he ends up dying and stuff. He ends up getting killed. Trying to go to the bathroom. Get killed by Cartoon Cat. It has not happened that many times, has it? No, it hasn't. But yeah, but yeah, I'm also gonna be playing as Cartoon Cat in Roblox, so that's gonna be cool. But this is absolutely terrifying. Imagine seeing this, just walking around in like your backyard. That is terrifying. Now this one's blurry and weird and kind of makes it more terrifying, but it's still kind of terrifying. Why is he chilling? What is he behind a school? I don't know. Where is he? Where is Cartoon Cat? I think can I clickbait that now? Yes, let's go. Where is Cartoon Cat? That's so late. Oh my god, that's not gonna get views, but this will. But because it's kind of terrifying and like Come on, what the heck? This is so creepy. I hate it. Yeah! That was an interesting noise by me. Good job. Oh no, I already hate this. It's gonna be a jump scare. It better not be. I'm ready for a jump scare. I don't think it's gonna happen. Oh! 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 What was that? What? Just what was that? What? That is so creepy. That is so creepy. Oh my god. By the way, guys, if you haven't done so, drop a like on the video. Okay, let's continue.
I feel like I saw something. Nothing.
Oh my god, that was absolutely terrifying. I literally jumped out of my chair. But, guys, viewer discretion is advised. The rest of the clips are gonna have a jump scares at the end. I'm so ready to get spooked. Oh! Sorry, but, yeah, oh my god. By the way, guys, I am going to be doing some things to change the channel, maybe change the profile picture to something else, and that's probably it, because yeah, that's just it. Okay. So yeah, unless I can find like a banner that says infinite on it, but that's probably not the case. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be trying to do to the channel. On to the next terrifying video.
I came here to use the bathroom, but the bathroom is closed because it's late. Something inside the bathroom. It was really weird. I'm gonna look around here. This is park. So.
I saw it coming and it still scared me. Jeez. So guys, on this next one and last one, the guy goes out to his car, and apparently Cartoon Cat just jump scares us and gives us heart attacks. You get it. It's happened in 2 other videos that we just watched. So yeah, get prepared to get jump scared again. Sick. Yeah, I love getting jump scared at more than anything. Who doesn't love getting jump scared? If you don't, you're a weirdo. I'm just kidding. No one likes jump scares, so you're stupid if you do. I'm just kidding. But yeah, yeah. I'm kind of scared, but let's go ahead and watch this. Watch this last clip.
What was that?
Honestly, guys, I have no idea, but I'm just gonna say it like this: view the video if you think the siren head ones are creepier. I mean, no. Like the video if you think the cartoon cat ones are creepier than the siren head ones. Anyways, this has been a very scary video. Thanks for watching. Bye.